Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Football is where we begin. A high-quality matchup is expected from reigning Jamaica Premier League champions Cavalier and Mount Pleasant as the two are set to face off in the opening group match in the CONCACAF Caribbean Club Championship at Sabana Park this afternoon. Despite losing the Jamaica Premier League title to Cavalier in May, Mount Pleasant will go into the tournament as the overwhelming favourites, something that coach Harold Thomas is aware of.
Very good group of players. Players with experience, players who have achieved a lot in their careers so far. It's a matter of guiding them, and getting the benefit of the experience that not only I have, but other people in the group have to express themselves and to aim for the achievement here. There's always a first. It's a first for them here, but the next level will also be a first.
But ranking below Mount Pleasant is not a problem for Cavalier's technical director, Rudolph Speed.
We're quietly confident. We have always been the underdogs, even when we win a lot of games. And I suppose we'll just keep that mantle, and we'll see.
The group also includes another Jamaican team in Arnett Gardens who will start their campaign on August 27 against Mount Pleasant. Now, the top two teams at the end of the group will make progress to the semi-finals. Now, Jamaica's under-14 Reggae Boys will look to close out their group campaign at the CFU Challenge Series with a perfect record when they oppose Aruba in their final group game this afternoon at the Dwight York Stadium in Trinidad. The young Reggae Boys preserved their unbeaten record when they defeated hosts at Trinidad and Tobago 2-0 on Monday. Davian Clark broke the deadlock, netting in the 28th minute. Before Orlando, Morris doubled the Jamaicans' advantage in the 37th. The young Jamaicans are fresh off a 6-0 beating of Aruba on Sunday, and they had also defeated St. Kitts and Nevis 2-0 on Saturday. Athletics news now. Former 100-meter world record holder Asava Powell believes the new Jamaican sprint sensation Kishane Thompson should run more 200-meter races to improve his performance over the shorter distance. Thompson, who still has the fastest time in the world over 100 meters this year at 9.77 seconds, last ran a 200 meters in 2022 when he clocked 20.91 seconds.
In my time, if I had focused on 200s a lot more, I would have been a lot stronger. Like my top end speed would have been, a lot faster. So I think all sprinters should definitely double 100 and 200 meters.
Now, there's been a lot of comparisons between Thompson and Powell, and while acknowledging those comparisons, the man who has the most sub-10 seconds clockings in history outlined where Thompson's strengths lie.
First 70 meters. It's very powerful. You get out of the starting block, real quick. And I think the middle part of his race is very fast as well.
And that's where we come across the finish line for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Carrie-Ann, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Carrie-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.